Clawdbot, or as they've already rebranded it, Modbot, is the ultimate AI tool that supposedly exploded the internet and everyone's talking how amazing it is. Unfortunately, I've come to one conclusion. Clawdbot sucks. And here's why. Before diving deep into the reasons, let's see what actually is Clawdbot. The simplest definition is that it is just Opus 4.5 with an interface wrapper. And if you don't know what Opus 4.5 is, it's just an anthropic LM model. Don't get me wrong, this is actually useful and funny to play with, but people have been doing this for months with Clawdbot, with Cursor. Now we just have the same present but with a different package. And really, in my opinion, Clawdbot is just a hype, and here are the reasons why. The first and maybe the most interesting reason is that Clawdbot was pushed by crypto grifters. Yes, Clawdbot was part of pump and dump schema. Long story short, after Clawdbot was pushed to rebrand to Modbot, there were a lot of people who wanted to exploit the now not used handles on X or domains. I'm not really 100% educated on that topic, but there was a fake cloud token which had market cap around 16 or 17 million, and in one day or so around 50% of the whole market cap was already taken. So yeah, without going in detail, I believe you already know how those crypto pump and dump schemas work, so let's proceed to the other reasons. Reason number 2 is that people overuse Clawdbot for simple everyday tasks. You know, I've seen those crazy cases where people just post screenshots on X how they've automated sorting their folders by file type with Clawdbot, when you can just go to the file explorer and with just one click sort them the same way. Or they've just automated Clawdbot to send good morning and good night to their wife every day. There are many crazy cases out there for Clawdbot. Yeah, people generally overuse it and overhype it for very simple everyday stuff. Reason number 3, Clawdbot is not secure at all, and the person who created Clawdbot already said that on Twitter. As you can see, a tweet by Peter Steinberger that this is just a project used to inspire people. It's not a multi-million-dollar business overnight idea, SaaS, or whatever you want to call it. And even the creator of this too said that most non-techie people should not install it. What's left for you to install it for other big corporations, risking all those security vulnerabilities and breaches? It's just crazy. Please, if you really want to play with it and install it, research about the security risks and vulnerabilities and install it on a VPS or just something else that even if it got breached, you don't care about. And final reason why Clawdbot sucks is because it actually doesn't really help you make any money. As we said, Clawdbot is just cloud code with an interface which doesn't really change the things. As a conclusion, yes, it's useful for some everyday tasks. It's funny to play with, but don't treat it as some innovation or revolution in the AI industry. It's just another tool that made it to the hype. Those are my final thoughts about Clawdbot. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.